Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cruizr CP03 Deluxe Vibrating and Sucking Automatic Masturbator with Adapter. This is a luxurious masturbator that provides wonderful penis stimulation, and you can use it with just yourself, or you can introduce it with foreplay with your partner as well. Here are some useful measurements of this masturbator. The inner length of the sleeve is 18.1 centimeters and the length of the inner diameter is 4.4 centimeters. So let's take a look at the masturbator itself. This is a really impressive sized masturbator and comes equipped with 6 sucking functions and 7 vibration modes. It even has a warming function as well, so it's a really luxurious masturbator to add to your collection. So now that we've had a look at the masturbator, let's try and turn it on. There's a control panel just at the bottom of the masturbator here. Each has a different function. To turn on, we need the third button, so press and hold down, and it's on. If you remove the cap just like so, it reveals the sleeve on the inside and we can hear the sucking motion. Use the bottom button only to release. Here we have the LED lights. Press and hold, and the vibrations begin. Each colour provides a different vibration. Simply tap and choose your favourite colour or your favourite vibration. To turn it off, simply press and hold down, and it's off. There's also an audio function where you can hear a sultry, sexy woman's voice. Now to do that, press and hold on the second button just here, and you can hear the woman's voice. Also included is a pair of headphones. This way it makes your experience even more discreet. If you want to turn the masturbator off, simply press and hold down, and make sure all the other buttons are off as well. Simply press and hold for 3 seconds and they're all off. Now, also included is a special adapter. So you can enjoy this masturbator anywhere. You could enjoy it in the shower or perhaps in a different angle. It's very simple and easy to use and has a very strong suction cup at the bottom. You can move it any direction you want. Once it's in the place you want, make sure it's screwed in place. To attach it, there is a little screw at the bottom just here. What you're going to do is, using the adapter, as you gently screw it in, and then you can enjoy it in any location and any desired position as well. Once you've screwed it in, gently push down the adapter and twist all the way to the right, and the suction cup will stay in place. This way you can enjoy a perfect masturbator session. It's very simple and easy to recharge. Using the USB charging cable provided, the charging slot is located just behind the white silicone sleeve. Gently pull apart the silicone tab, and we're going to push it gently through, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, charging time takes roughly 120 minutes, that's roughly 2 hours, and make sure to pop the white casing back once you're finished. Simply gently push like so, and it's ready to go. For more tips and tricks on how to use your Cruizr masturbator, why not check out the user manual? Simply scan the QR code on the back of the packaging and it will take you through to the user manual. Here you can find out a lot of variety about the masturbator itself. For example, how to clean, how to use. It's also available in 8 different languages, so there's something for you. We highly recommend checking this out before using your Cruizr masturbator. It's very important to clean the masturbator after every use. So, to start the cleaning process, make sure the top of the cap is removed. You can simply wash this with lukewarm water and toy cleaner, or you could also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Next, we need to remove the bottom part of the masturbator. Now, this is an important step. Do not twist to the left, we want to turn to the right. So gently pull, like so, and the bottom bit will come off. Now that we've removed the bottom, we're going to remove a black ring at the very bottom. There's a little part just here. We're going to gently push it up, and the black ring is now removed. Using the 2 locks here, gently push them down and the sleeve will open. Now that the sleeve is open, the next steps are very important. So you can remove the sleeve like so from the casing. So we can put the casing to one side. And again, you can use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water or antibacterial soap and lukewarm water to clean the case itself. Now, make sure to not remove the black ring, as this will cause the masturbator sleeve to fall out and it's very difficult to fit back in. There is a vibrator just here that we need to remove. It's very simple and easy. As demonstrated, gently pull out and make sure to hold it to one side when cleaning. Now, when using this masturbator sleeve, we highly recommend to use a toy cleaner as the best way to clean. Make sure to use a lukewarm water, or if you don't have toy cleaner available, use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. Now, this is also very important. Do not fully submerge the masturbator as this can damage the electronics. Simply use the masturbator sleeve like so and clean with the vibrator and the black ring off the water. You can also use a damp cloth if you want to clean below. Now that we've cleaned our masturbator, let's put it back together. So the first step is to put the vibrating bullet back through the hole and up the sleeve. Make sure it's completely encased, like so. Next, we're going to put it back into our clean casing. So make sure it's completely open wide. And the black ring should sit on the very bottom just here, not the very bottom bit, but the one above. Next, we're going to gently push together and push the two locks up. Now it's locked in. Next, we're going to put our black ring back. So gently push around. And last but not least, we're going to put our bottom part back on. It should look like this just before you push it back together. Now remember, we're going to twist it to the left to lock it in place. There's one click and a second click. Now it's completely in. And of course, the last step is to put the cap back on. And now it's all clean and it's been put back together, ready to use again next time. This is also an important tip. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again. To avoid this, when in the middle of the cleaning process, you can use the drying stick provided to pop it into the masturbator. This avoids the material sticking together and provides a better cleaning process for you. And that is the Cruizr CP03 Vibrating and Sucking Automatic Masturbator with Adapter. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.